Today we will be working in Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Express Beta.
We're going to be talking about how to design everything you love in Adobe Illustrator, but then bring it into Express so that it's really user-friendly for everyone. Some things that I want to make sure that we are doing as we're designing is these designs are really easy to swap out photos, really easy to replace text, and I just want to have several color variations so that it feels fun and different on the feed, but still has like a really easy to use template process. Let's just get started with the real cover graphic. Start with a straight line, have it selected, effect, distort and transform, zigzag, 45 pixels. And then if we choose smooth, it's gonna make it this curvy line. Just place this where I want it. That's too many. We're just gonna get rid of a few of these points. Make this a single line. Here we go. Grab the pen tool and go ahead and like make this a complete shape. Over into my brand library here on the right side, dark pink. Transparent moment. Now I want to make sure that we have somewhere that we can put the title of this. Just created this box here because that's where I'm just going to put all of our text. How to center it and make it white. There's two different options for when you're using the text tool. You can either click and type or you can click and drag a text box. I'm going to make a text box for this. We're just doing 3 separate designs to have some variations in the feed, create like a fun little wiggly line pattern situation. That image will either be like, I'll just take a screen grab, one of my brand photos, and pull a similar block here. For kicks and giggles, let's add a background to this one too. And then last, for Reels, I want to just have one that text only, just in case I don't have a good photo. This bottom banner that I made for this graphic, copy it and paste it in place here. I want to use the type on a path tool. Now we're gonna use the type on a path tool. Pointing up, we can just pull that up. And this is all using the direct selection tool. I wanna have like a sliding carousel post. Post here, copy this, put a text box right here, add a little swipe text, plop it here, make it a little smaller. And then I'm gonna make like a little arrow with the pen tool, make a little triangle, add a line, turn it. Just gonna tweak it a little bit, put it in, add like my handle here.
There you go, we figured it out.
Look at that. And the reason we like set up these artboards the way we did is so that I can see what it'll look like all together, can still save out individual elements. Start from scratch by clicking this button right here. Open it in editor. We can literally like go in, edit this text in Express. It's already here. We didn't have to create anything new. We can change the fill color from in here if we want. You can literally take even this like shape that we made, we can change this. If you don't necessarily want to bring them all in as an Illustrator file, the other thing you can do in Express Beta, you can also access all of your brand libraries as well. Saved all of these as individual assets in my libraries. You can invite collaborators. So you can actually like share this with your client, which is really nice. You just email them and then they can have it anytime. Like I'm going to need a graphic, add a photo, media, upload from my device. And we'll choose this one again. Download this graphic or go ahead and literally schedule this inside of Express, add my caption. I can pick when I'm scheduling it. They have lots of like fun effects that you can play with. To make this carousel post, we're gonna hit this plus sign and we are going to choose Instagram Square Post. Recreate what we already made using the brand elements that we just saved. Plop this down in here, stretch it along the bottom, pop this guy in here, shrink her down, pop this swipe icon in here. Now we just need to add a text box, add your text. I just added 2 more slides, copy all of this by highlighting it all and then paste. And in Express, you don't have to do paste in place. It'll just automatically paste it in place. And we'll do that one more here, but we'll get rid of the swipe. Here's where we will have ended with all of these templates. We started here, we've ended here. And it just looks so much nicer.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.